In this video guide, we'll show you how to unbox a pair of Platinum 200 or 300 3G speakers. The Platinum 200 and 300 3G floor standing speakers are designed to deliver rich, dynamic high-end performance with tight controlled bass. You'll need a second person to help you unbox. Once you've removed the transit straps, open the box. Inside, you'll find a board with quick links to register your product and product documents. Pin down the box with your foot, then lift the cradle out of the box. Tilt the speaker off the floor to its feet. Remove the toolbox, carpet spikes and port bungs from the top piece of foam. Remove the top foam and middle foam pieces. Tilt the speaker back to remove the front bottom foam. And tilt it forwards to remove the back bottom foam. Peel the stickers on each side and remove the bottom protective cloth. Remove the protective bag from the speaker. Install the spikes by tilting the speaker and screwing in the spikes. Inside the toolbox, you'll find a cleaning cloth, hex key and Torx tool. Now wire them up, sit back and enjoy your Platinum 200 or 300 3G speakers.